You don't have to eat it. Yes. Want to kiss the camera? Oh, you pretty bird, yes. Did you get the camera? Oh, pretty girl. Where's my kiss? Yes. Sure. Yes, Nikki's a very good bird. Mm-hmm. Love you too. You're a very special little bird. She's snuggling down under the blankets. Yes. You can't eat the camera. The camera's getting kisses and chewed on. But it's more kisses than anything else. Oh, baby girl. I love you too, Nick. Love you too. Where's my kisses? Yes, my love. Are you reaching for my hand? Okay, you want the hand scratching. Okay. It's okay. It's a good girl. It's a good Nikki. Oh, you're so sweetie, aren't you, Nikki? She just loves being under the blanket, don't you? Yes, you are. Yes. Yes, you good bird. I've heard of closet chatterboxes, but this one's my blanket chatterbox. Nikki's a mitered conure. I helped her. She originally came from Nebraska Parrot Rescue, and she belongs to a friend of mine. I get to spoil her when I can. And her owners, when they're out, if they're gone for a couple of days or something, I get to spoil her. And this is a new stunt for us. She actually snubbed my other half so she'd come to see Mommy under the blankets, don't you, baby girl? Yes, I love you, Nikki. Nikki's good bird. Yes, Mom's going to have to turn this off though, because it's already 4 minutes. Well, I was taking... I got to ask what I was doing, and I'm trying to turn the camera off without get bit.